Where do we turn when fear begins to take over? In times like this, remember God is still in control, even when the world feels unstable. The current conflict has caused oil prices to surge past 100 per liter and created global uncertainty. But nothing happening today is beyond God's knowledge or power. In Psalms 46 verse 1, God is our refuge and strength and ever-present help in trouble. When everything feels unstable, God remains your steady place. Fear focuses on what we cannot control, but faith reminds us that God is already holding tomorrow. He sees your needs, He knows your worries, and He promises to provide not always in the way we expect, but always in the way we need. So when anxiety rises, choose to trust Him, pray, stay grounded in His Word, and remember, God is your peace even in the middle of global uncertainty. Amen.